Construction engineering and management is one of 8 disciplines within the civil engineering major at Auburn University. Construction engineering emphasizes technical expertise in designing and managing infrastructure systems such as roads, bridges, and buildings. It integrates engineering science with practical construction management techniques.
I chose civil engineering because I felt like it had a big purpose that affected the lives of everyday people. Not only are you able to focus on the construction side of projects, but you also have a background and knowledge all the way from the design to the actual input of the design plans and where you're actually constructing the project.
At Auburn, construction engineers take courses in structural analysis, geotechnical engineering, and project management. These courses prepare students to design and oversee complex projects, integrating engineering principles with real-world construction challenges. Unlike other construction-related majors, construction engineering is rooted in civil engineering, meaning students learn not just how to build, but how to engineer solutions, factoring in materials, safety, efficiency, and sustainability at every stage of a project. This foundation in engineering allows graduates to take on leadership roles in the industry, working alongside project owners, architects, developers, and construction managers to shape the built environment.
This summer I'm interning with Russo Corporation, and we're out here at Caldwell Park doing some utility repair and putting in new storm sewers. I think it's important for civil engineers to get an internship because at Russo I've learned the application of shoring walls and drilled shafts for deep foundations for buildings. And I've also learned a lot about underground utilities and how they're installed. It's also given me a lot of hands-on experience that I couldn't necessarily gain in the classroom.
Auburn civil engineers are in high demand across the construction industry. Graduates pursue careers in project management, infrastructure development, sustainable building, and even entrepreneurship. Whether you want to design, manage, or innovate, Auburn prepares you for a future of impact.
Getting a civil engineering degree and using it in my day-to-day as a project manager has really set me up to have the proper language and lingo and conversations I need to have on site with structural engineers, geotechnical engineers, my field engineers. So every day there's a new challenge. That's my favorite part about my job is I wake up and I never know what I'm gonna get.
We like to hire Auburn engineers, civil engineers, because they're taught to think. They can read geotech reports at depth. They can ask questions. And I think one of the biggest things we're missing in society today, the Auburn engineer is curious. They're just curious. And you gotta be curious. You can't just say, take action on something that somebody said. Asking questions, being curious, and then taking action to implement things is the key.
If you're ready to turn your passion for problem solving, innovation, and leadership into a career, Auburn Construction Engineering is the place for you. Join us and build the future.
War Eagle!
War Eagle.
War Eagle!
War Eagle and be civil.